Hey guys, today I'm trying out a recipe called Ahmedabadi Special Ghoogra Sandwich using the multi-purpose Glen Pizza Maker. It is a popular street food in Ahmedabad known for its cheesiness. Since my daughter loves cheesy sandwiches, she is helping me make it today. You can serve it to your kids' lunchbox as well, and I'm sure they will like it. So let's get started. Take a bread slice, apply butter and green chutney. Now add the stuffing and another bread slice. Similarly, apply butter, chutney and stuffing on the second bread slice. Top with another butter slice. We are good to go. Now place the sandwich on the Glen Pizza Maker. It is so versatile that you can make chila, omelette, sandwich and so much more in this pizza maker. You can also make a 10-inch pizza using this pizza maker. Cover the sandwich till it is well toasted, and while you're waiting you can do masti like me and my daughter. So the sandwich is well toasted and my daughter is excited to taste it. Let's cut it and serve it with tomato sauce or green chutney, that is dhania pudina chutney. Check out the full recipe in captions. This is really delicious. You should definitely try out this recipe for your kids' lunchbox. Do check out the captions below to buy this amazing Glen Pizza Grill. Take care guys. Bye bye.